Market is falling. I am confused. Should I buy, sell, or just wait? If you don't have a plan right now, you're going to make decisions you will regret later. Because in falling market, confusion is what destroys the portfolios. Stay with me till the end because I will give you a clear step by step plan what to do, what to avoid, and how to position yourself. This exact pace. No guessing, no noise, just clarity. Before anything else, understand this. This is not a normal market. This is not a buy everything phase. This is a decision phase where what you do now will impact your returns for the next few months. So stop thinking in terms of fear, FOMO, and urgency and start thinking in terms of structure, risk, and timing. Now, let's break this down into a simple plan. First, look at your holdings. Ask which stocks are weak, which are highly exposed to the current risk. If something is fundamentally weak, don't protect it emotionally. Second, stop blind buying. Don't average just because the price is lower. Lower price does not mean better opportunity. Right now, price is not the signal, structure is. Third, hold cash strategically. Cash is not inaction, cash is flexibility. It allows you to act when clarity appears. Fourth, track the key signals. Don't guess the market, track it. Focus on oil movement, FI's activity, market structure. These will tell you when conditions are improving. And this is the part most people get wrong. You should ideally not chase rebounds. A bounce is not recovery. You should not go all in and you should not follow the noise. Right now, mistakes don't happen fast. They happen quietly and then show up later. So, what does a smart position actually look like? Right now, as per my understanding, a balanced approach can be a partial exposure, having controlled risk and high cash reserve. Not aggressive, not inactive, just prepared. The market right now is not testing your knowledge, it is testing your discipline. And most people fail because they act too early. If you follow a plan, you stay in control. And in markets, control is everything.